Welcome to our YouTube video on Fiverr customer service best practices. As a seller on Fiverr, providing exceptional customer service is crucial for building a positive reputation and attracting repeat clients. In this video, we'll explore some valuable tips and strategies to help you provide outstanding support to your customers on Fiverr. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. Before we dive into the best practices, let's understand why customer service is so important on Fiverr. Providing excellent support not only enhances client satisfaction but also leads to positive reviews, higher ratings, and increased orders. Now, let's explore the best practices for delivering exceptional customer service on Fiverr. Best practice 1. Be prompt and responsive. Being prompt and responsive is the foundation of good customer service. Respond to messages and inquiries from clients in a timely manner, preferably within 24 hours. This shows professionalism and assures clients that their needs are a priority. Best practice 2. Communicate clearly and professionally. Clear and professional communication is key to providing exceptional customer service. Use proper grammar and spelling, and be courteous and respectful in all your interactions. Understand your clients' requirements and provide them with relevant and comprehensive information. Best practice 3. Set realistic expectations. Setting realistic expectations is essential for a positive customer experience. Clearly communicate the scope of your services, turnaround times, and any limitations or requirements. Avoid overpromising and underdelivering, as it can lead to dissatisfaction and negative reviews. Best practice 4. Provide regular updates. Regular updates keep clients informed about the progress of their project. This helps manage expectations and builds trust. Communicate milestones, share drafts or samples, and provide status updates as agreed upon with the client. Transparency goes a long way in fostering a positive client-seller relationship. Best practice 5. Go the extra mile. To truly provide exceptional customer service, be willing to go the extra mile for your clients. Offer additional assistance, provide valuable insights or suggestions, and address any concerns or issues promptly. Show your clients that you are committed to their satisfaction and success. Best practice 6. Handle complaints and disputes professionally. Despite your best efforts, there may be times when clients express dissatisfaction or conflicts arise. In such situations, it's important to handle complaints and disputes professionally and diplomatically. Listen to their concerns, offer solutions, and strive for a mutually beneficial resolution. Best practice 7. Learn from feedback and improve. Feedback, both positive and negative, provides valuable insights for improvement. Embrace feedback as an opportunity to learn and grow. Analyze client reviews and ratings to identify areas where you can enhance your services and customer support. Best practice 8. Follow Fiverr's terms of service. Adhering to Fiverr's terms of service is crucial for maintaining a good standing as a seller. Familiarize yourself with the platform's policies, guidelines, and regulations. Ensure that your services and interactions align with these policies to avoid any penalties or account suspension. By implementing these best practices, you can provide exceptional customer service on Fiverr and differentiate yourself from the competition. Remember, happy clients lead to a successful freelancing journey on the platform. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary based on personal efforts and market conditions. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.